Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through what to expect when you receive your Altor ICON Trailer Lock. Choosing a trailer lock depends on your coupler and fit. The ICON line comes in multiple fitment types and fits nearly all major OEM coupler types and styles. To see if your coupler is the right fit, there's an easy fitment guide on the Altor website. Once you get your lock, you're going to want to write down the key code that's engraved on each of these 4 keys and register it at altorlocks.com. In the event that you lose one of your keys, this code will ensure that you're able to get another key fitted to your lock. The ICON Trailer Lock was designed and advertised as the first and only power tool resistant trailer lock on the market. They're specifically engineered and tested to keep your stuff safe. Constructed of premium hardened alloy steel, has a corrosion resistant stainless steel lock body with extreme weatherproofing seals to keep out moisture and debris, an anti-drill lock face with a highly pick-resistant lock mechanism, and features our patented radial fin design, which physically deters angle grinders. The radial fin design is strikingly different from anything out there, and the build quality, the weight, and the finish on this thing are super premium. The ICON Trailer Lock is designed to fit most all OEM coupler types and styles. For more information regarding fitment, please reference the fit guidance section on the ICON Trailer Lock product page. This product does not secure safety chains. Whether or not your safety chains are locked up, any thief can strap on their own safety chains and haphazardly attempt to roll away. But the ICON Trailer Lock makes your coupler virtually impenetrable when it's properly secured. Thieves use brute force and power tools to compromise locks and get proper access to the hitch. Securing your safety chains is basically a sales gimmick that creates buyer confusion, and there is no additional protection from a thief with portable power tools. The best way to protect your trailer is to buy a power tool resistant trailer lock that makes thieves move on to the easier opportunity. The lock will come with 4 keys, keyed alike, to unlock the best-in-class high-security disc detainer lock. The disc detainer lock is weather-sealed both internally and externally with a chrome-style knob. In order to access the lock, simply remove the weather seal cap, and now you have access to the keyhole. Now you just use one of your keys, and it's ready to mount. Mount it on your hitch, and you're locked up. Reinstall your weather cap, and you're all set. We recommend taking the time every so often to clean and lubricate your lock. You can spray in a lock lubricant such as Houdini Lock Lube into the disc detainer mechanism. However, do not use silicone-based lubricants or WD-40, as these can create unwanted residue buildup inside the locking mechanism. Repeat this anytime you think things could be a little bit smoother. So that's the Altor ICON Trailer Lock, the world's first and only truly power tool resistant trailer lock designed to protect your stuff to help you confidently do more and worry less.